we're back again with the FMA Debrief. This time I am back with Ed Udell, our CEO and president, to do a wrap-up of 2023. This has been a fantastic year. What are some highlights?
It certainly has been a great year for the organization, Sarah. Beginning with the number of people that we've trained through our educational programs, nearly 4,000 people participated across all of the platforms and programs, online and in-person events that FMA delivered for our industry this year. We're very proud of that work in helping our industry grow and develop, from raising nearly $1 million this year.
Amazing.
For our charitable foundation, Nuts, Bolts, and Thingamajigs, and then turning around and giving that money away in the future to support our summer manufacturing camps, which we had 225 camps across 27 states this year and Canada. We had nearly 3,500 kids participate in those camps, learning about manufacturing, participating and learning how to make things with their hands. Very exciting, and we've got a lot of work to do in front of us, and we're looking forward to that.
FABTECH was back in Chicago this year.
Back in Chicago, back at pre-pandemic numbers. 40,000 people attended the event this year. World-class technology on display. All the leaders in the industry are there to see it and engage with our exhibitors, and really it brings the industry together. And speaking of bringing things together, going back to our annual meeting this year, over 300 people, a record number of attendees, where our industry leaders were all together, engaging with one another, sharing best practices and ideas on how to improve their businesses. Just so much to be proud of.
Yeah.
And then, of course, the most significant achievement for us was the rebranding, as everyone can see from the gold and the yellow and the new logos. FMA is on a new path in supporting a workforce lifecycle culture, helping our members to attract, develop, and engage with our industry. And that's how we've organized the association around those three pillars. And our membership and the industry, we're seeing a lot more of that as we move into 2024.
Yeah, great. So always a lot going on around here, and we expect it to be even more than that going into next year. So to find out how you can be involved and be a part of FMA, please visit our website at fmamfg.org.